Good afternoon. My name is Edwin Aroldo Zorro. Dear November 16, 2022, the Diamond Supermarket Case Organization Behavior. Factor: my problem of working in the cats. Proposal to improve the situation. They are bullying, mind the problem or works in the cause. The staff of many failures in the development of certain activity tend to place in the supermarket. Proposal to improve the situation. Constant strain in the market and the thus poses enough scale to perform the stars more effective and effectively. Leadership. Main problems of the workers in the carts. The warrant of the supermarket Don Joaquin instilled as obsolete methods in the way of running the business. Proposed to improve the situation. The third world implements innovative strategies that can compete with supermarket in terms of presence of and service. Check management. My problem of working in the cats. Management does not have enough experience nor the skill to manage abuses with respect to the competition. Propose in the improve the situation. Acquire technology regarding marketing management to that your customer and the suppliers are interested in your products and innovate with new more quality products that can be competition with the stores. Conflict managing. My problem or the workings in the cats. As Don Joaquin is the one who makes the administration decision in it is not possible to have sufficient alternative solution. Propose to improve the situation. Identify the advantages of the supermarket according to the demands of the market in the supply chain, opting for products of a lower cost, being more efficient in customer service and with quality products. Human capital and the innovation. My problem or weakness in the cats. Lack of strategic ideas to attract customers. Propose to improve the situation. Invest capital to be able to train the personnel and thus be more competitive in quality and to be able to insert their income in order to guarantee stability in the market. Thank you.